Hello everybody, this is Travis, 417 Travel, hanging out at our 3-bedroom rooftop penthouse here at the Fives. Let's see, Cozumel off on the distance. Hey Madison, you gonna give us a tour? Oh, there she is, our tour guide.
So this is the rooftop.
Rooftop?
That's the couch over there.
Couch?
The table.
Table? What's that?
That's an island, right?
An island? Yeah, kinda. It's a bar, eh?
Bar/island.
Bar island. What's on the other side? Anything else? Is this it?
Nope, there's more.
Nope, there's more. Alright, let's go see.
This one is locked.
That was locked. I think that's for the barbecue stuff.
It's also locked.
Oh, locked? What's over here? It's a nice dress, sweetie.
It's
Looks,
for the dinner tonight.
oh, okay.
This is a hot tub.
Hot tub
And a good view.
and the view. What'd you say about that being a model walk, that thing up there? You want to show us how to do that?
Yeah, no.
No?
I'll do it in a video.
Okay, what's in there? What's over there? Is that a bathroom?
So this is the bathroom. Shower, and also a toilet.
Shower on the rooftop. And a toilet?
Yeah.
And a sink?
Lounge.
That's nice, isn't it? Some
These
chairs.
are lounge chairs, you see?
Yeah, and what's that thing?
I think that's a bed.
You think it's a bed?
Yeah.
Looks like a bird's nest.
It's not a bird nest, it's a round bed.
It's not a bird's nest?
It's a bird nest bed.
Do you like the room?
Yeah.
Mommy and Daddy do good?
Yeah.
Alright.
And it has awesome pillows.
Awesome pillows. Well, alright. Well, thank you, Madison, for the tour.
And there's also another view.
To everyone to like and follow and share. Tell them.
Please follow and share and also subscribe.
And subscribe. Who's the best travel agency?
Us.
Who's that?
4-time travel.
417 Travel. Good job, sweetie. Love you.
Bye.
The rest of the room?
Yes, this is the stairs.
Okay, the stairs.
This is my favorite part.
Your favorite part is the stairs?
Yes.
Really?
There's no railings.
Okay, no railing. Just pull your dress up. Pull it up. There you go. Don't trip on it. Careful.
So this is Mom and Dad's room.
Mom and Dad's room.
This is the kitchen.
Kitchen.
And also the bar.
And we brought apples to apples.
We're talking about that last night. That's the table.
Mom and Dad got a little cake.
Yeah, I ate one of them.
Let's go show them my room, then we'll go to the other room. Oh,
This
you're
is the living room.
okay, living room.
This is my favorite chair.
What's all that stuff there?
Oh, it's for the schools.
The school supplies that we brought?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's got the TV also.
TV,
And it's in the menu.
breakfast menu. Alright. What's
So,
in here?
This is the room.
What happened to Mom and Dad's bed?
A lady got the most cuddles for their anniversary.
For the anniversary?
Yes.
Is that for me?
Yeah, for Mom and Dad.
Mom and
They
Dad?
have TV. Oh,
Oh.
the TV.
Another TV. Alright, we got any other rooms?
So this, okay. This is the shower.
Shower. And a stool.
Also,
Alright, let's go see the other parts.
a toilet. That's the sink.
Sink.
Two of them.
Yep. 2 big closets. That's neat, isn't it, sis?
So this side is Dad's.
Dad's
This
side.
side is Mom's.
Mom's side. Alright.
So let's go to the other rooms. Let's go.
Other rooms? What other rooms?
There's more.
There's more?
Yeah.
How could there be more? This room is enormous. Huh? Oh, there's Mom. There's Mom.
I don't know on mine, obviously.
Oh, no way.
Alright, let's go to the other rooms though. We're running along. Make sure your sister.
So this is Mackenzie's room.
Mackenzie's room. You gonna knock on it?
She's snoozing.
Nope. Better not. She's snoozing. Alright, go to the next one.
What?
She's sleeping. There's a king bed in there with.
There's a king bed in there.
With who's in there?
Mackenzie.
Mackenzie.
Auckland.
Mackenzie Parkland's in
So
there.
this is my boy's room.
Whose room?
Mine, Morgan's.
Mine and Morgan's. Get your own room.
There's the luggage.
Closet for the bags. Oh, what's in here?
So this is Morgan's. This is our closet. This is Morgan's side. And this is
That's your side.
my sheer stuff.
Okay.
And this is my side.
Your side.
And I'm wearing this dress for my birthday.
That's for your birthday?
Yeah.
All right. What else is in here? Anything else we need to see?
Oh, this is the bathroom over there.
You got any beds in here?
Bathroom's over there.
Bathroom's over here. Hey, Morgan.
This is Morgan.
Morgan's putting makeup on.
Same thing like mom and dad.
Like mom and dad's?
Toilet and the shower.
Okay. You got some beds in here?
Yes.
Do you have your own balcony?
So this is my bed.
That's your
This
bed?
is my PJs.
And your PJs are out already? All right. You got a TV too,
Yeah,
don't
on
you?
TV.
Okay. What's out there?
This is Morgan's bed.
Morgan's bed?
This is our balcony.
Balcony? You got your own balcony? What?
So that side is Mackenzie's side. This is our side.
Mackenzie's side and your side?
Yeah.
All right. Well, good job, Miss Madison. That
And
was-
also a pool over there.
Oh, should we show the pool?
Yeah.
Okay.
And our view.
Our view. The view from the rooftop was better. We could see the ocean. Well, thank you, Miss Madison, for the tour. Welcome to the Fives. Happy birthday. Are you excited about Mom and Dad's vow renewal? All right. Ready for Italian dinner tonight?
Yeah.
Love you.
Oh, this is our room key.
Oh, what do you tell them? We got a like?
So like and share and follow their page, bedroomtravel.com.
417travel.com. Good job, sweetie.